Hi, hello, namaste. I am Dr. Vinay Kumar, a consultant. Greetings to one and all. About this day, today we are celebrating an important day, that is World Liver Day. So I wanted to talk about liver and its health and how we can protect it and benefit out of it. As you all know, liver is one of the important organ in the body. It is one of the largest organ in the body which does more than 1,000 work in our body. Now these processes which is helped by liver is benefiting the body in terms of digesting our food, in terms of absorption, in terms of metabolism of various products and various other things in our body. It also helps in synthesizing many important proteins in our bodies, including albumin and various clotting factors which help us to maintain our blood clotting as well as blood in a flowing state. It also helps us in producing various particles which helps us in immunity. So overall, if you see, liver is a very important organ. Now on this day, that is World Liver Day, which we celebrate every year on April 19th, to bring out the awareness among the people about liver disease and what it can cause if it is harmed. This year on World Liver Day, we are trying to emphasize on importance of liver. Liver can be affected by various things. One commonly is over excessive use of alcohol. Second is obesity and accumulation of fat especially in the abdominal area. Third, it could be affected by various infections which are like hepatitis viruses. Commonly we have 3-4 viruses like hepatitis A, B and C viruses as well as E viruses which can affect liver specifically, and countless number of other viruses and other microorganisms can also affect the liver. So I told you about the various causes. Now I'll try to tell you about what are the different symptoms you might have and you may not be knowing that you have a liver problem. Most commonly, most of our liver patients may not have any symptoms. But if the symptoms start arising, that means the damage to the liver has started progressing in a rapid phase. The most common symptoms one might experience is related to your metabolism as well as energy levels. Patients usually have chronic fatigue and they are unable to do day-to-day activities, and because the metabolism is affected, the absorption of nutrients is hampered, so they can have a chronic fatigue and as well as weakness in their body. Second, the patient might develop yellowish discoloration of eyes, as well as in the later stage, they might have accumulation of the water in various parts of the body. As the liver disease progresses, the liver disease can hamper even the normal functions and affect brain, kidney and various other organs. So detecting these symptoms and detecting that you have liver problem is one important parameter to be noticed. Now, how can you diagnose, or how we should diagnose liver disease is that whenever you have these above symptoms, you can usually have a master health checkup, detect whether you have any fatty liver in your body. That is usually done using ultrasound and fibroscan. We can advise for a few blood tests to notice any bilirubin increase, that is jaundice in your body per se, as well as various derangements in blood clotting factors, etc. Once you detect the problem and get diagnosed with a liver disease, is it too late? Yes. So prevention is very important in terms of liver disease. So prevention, how you can prevent getting affected by liver disease. One, keep your alcohol intake in moderation. Second, whenever have a chance, get a routine testing as well as testing for the various virus infections. Reduce the weight if you are on obesity side, as well as trying to moderate your calorie intake and do regular exercise. Fourth is getting vaccinated for a few particular viruses which are available, like hepatitis B and hepatitis A, can bring down the causes of liver affection and thus help us to prevent liver problems. So whenever you develop jaundice or any water accumulation in the stomach or any altered behavior which is linked to liver disease, it is always better to bring to your physician notice and get treated accordingly. And always we are there to support you, to guide you in this liver, if there is any issue with the liver. And you can always contact us for various advice as well as follow-up. So thank you all for your patient listening. Hope this information was at least benefit for you, and so that we can have a healthy liver and healthy body and healthy mindset. Thank you.